think about centenarians, basically many centenarians, they get to 100 years, but they develop diseases all in the last 2-3 years of their life. So they are sick only a couple of years, and 2-3 years before they are dying. And we have to understand how this is possible. We know it's possible because we have now lots of data on dietary restriction experiments, but we also have data on genetic, where we can mutate, we can play with genes, and now we know that by changing some important genes, you can make these animals living 50-60% longer. So we know that it's possible. We have to understand how we can achieve this extension of lifespan.
But it's not just an extension of
healthspan, lifespan and healthspan. Again, the most important is the extension of healthspan. So we want to reduce the number of years that people are sick. And then if you can also have an extension of lifespan with healthspan, even better. I mean, think about it, only 200 years ago, people, when they were 50, 55, 60, they were already old. Many of the people, when they were 65, they were already, dead. But 50 years old man, maybe in the 1700, was already very, very sick and old and a lot of problems. Now, if you ask, to someone who is 55, 60 years old, do you feel that you are old? Are you crazy? And if you ask, you want, probably you have another 5 years. No. I mean, people now, they expect to live 80, 85. So I mean, the perception of what is the right number of years to live, I think it's changing. And I think that biologically, I think it's possible. We know that the longest lived woman was 122 years. There's a French woman called Calmet. She lived till 122 years.